Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Wire Collision here of Dallas. We have this brand new headlights from Amazon. I noticed that they don't come with instructions. They're pretty simple to install. You do have to remove all your front grill just to get them installed, but they have this connections that kind of makes you wonder how they did it, right? So let me see if I can get y'all to look a little more over here. All right, cool. So back to this. So there's this plug that connects to the headlight. You have this other plug that connects to your factory plug right here. I don't know why they did this, but they did this. You have this one wire. This wire connects to the other headlight, and this right here will connect to your low beam and your ignition, so you can have power to these headlights. That's the only thing that I know that you can make these. Okay, secondary video. Here's the other connection that I ran over there. This doesn't come with this aluminum. What I did, I wrapped it around, make it a little more prettier. So it connects to this right here, right? Same thing for this thing. You're gonna have open your brand new fuse box from your 2024-2025 Colorado. Okay, you're gonna open this. All right, okay, open this. And there's your two connections. What I did, I connected it to the F66, which is your low beam, okay? And then I connected the F39, F39, it's F27, which is your park lamps. So you connected that.